see if I can catch them. Across the river. Excuse me, Mr. Explorer. ¿Dónde está el waterfall? Gracias. Oh, what kind of animal is that? Oh, look. Over there. Oh, oh. Is that a Mustang? Oh. Native to these crazy jungles. Yeah, Ford Mustang. That's a very rare animal to see alive. Usually they're found on the road dead. Wow, I can't believe we're finding this. Yeah, it's a Ford. Usually they're found on the road dead. It's amazing.
Well, that was really rude towards Ford. My dad's Ford still works perfectly.
Welcome to the jungle. I think we head left.
That way?
Yeah, I see a nice path over there. I bet you that pool is gonna be so perfect, man. After this nice little stroll in the jungle, it's gonna be nice. Oh. Ooh, perro, un perro. Hola. That's a native fish there. Right there. That's called bubble wrap. That's called sippy cup. Very rare, very rare.
That's not a fish.
Oh. Oh.
Dumbo, bro. You're Dumbo, actually.
Oh, that's not very nice for the papa.
Shoot!
What?
That's the one swimming area that they showed on the way. It's not really full. This was like a whole swimming area to swim in and jump off rocks.
They were jumping off?
Yeah.
Where? Maybe right there?
Platform thing.
So this is our destination?
No. We gotta keep going.
Keep going.
Oh, fishy!
Oh yeah. They're hanging out here to go into the ocean soon. Oh, look at this school of fish right here. Probably about 20 of them. You saw the big school? Did you see this amazing thing that I found?
What?
Check it out. Earbuds.
And a charger?
That's how it connects. We're Jungle Creek walking. Yeah, look at them all. Nice.
Look at that beautiful butterfly.
It is a beautiful butterfly. This is parkour a la natura.
Papa, jump to in there.
See, amigo. Fancy footwork.
See the landslide?
What?
What?
Floating?
Huh?
This is floating.
What's floating?
This. Magic.
Magic? Let's see some magic.
No, right here.
Oh, that's even rarer. That's called the magic floating stick. Oh!
It was the spider web.
Spider web.
It looks like magic.
It does look like magic. Ooh, nice transfer.
Me and you were doing pretty good parkour.
Thanks. I like your moves too. Ooh, that's a big rock.
That's a bullet ant.
That's a bullet ant?
Yes.
Oh, look at the yellow stripes on
That's a
them.
bullet ant.
Do they have bullets?
Yes. No,
Oh.
they're the most deadliest ant ever.
Ooh, don't touch them though.
I think I can hear it.
I hear water for sure. Nice landing. This is the super private dock.
Tiana, there's a deck here. A deck. Wow. Look how far this is going.
Yeah, but you got a nice root to step on.
Right there.
Yeah. Stay low.
We might get a little bit of soaker.
Okay.
You're going in the water, Diana?
Oh.
Oh, that feels good.
Look what Diana's doing.
What? She's disturbing the natural fish habitat. Tracks. I see tracks. Look. Oh yeah.
Dirt bikes.
100 and 80 pounds, 2-footed, right-handed, but throws with the left. Northeast, 200 meters.
You know that's totally not true.
I just read the tracks.
It said nothing on it.
You gotta read the tracks. Should we do more creek walking or a little bit of jungle?
Pardon?
More creek or a bit of jungle?
More creek.
Okay. Let's watch this magnificent animal in her element. Oh,
Yeah.
she's, look at her.
The belly.
She's
keeps
free.
me
She's in her
centered.
element. Bird. I was thinking more of a cougar, but me too. I wonder if they're friendlies.
You like swimming?
That's good.
I'm definitely going swimming.
Oh, for sure, eh?
We're underneath the waterfall. Palo Maria. They're going up, yeah. Hola, muchacho. Adios.
It's a ancient campfire from long, long ago, dating at least 9,000 years. Historical site, I'll leave it. Explore that later. Do you guys stop here or do you go any further?
I've done 2 hours before.
Oh, really?
And I'll consider this the second waterfall. I hit 7 off. So you can go forever.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
wow.
did 2 hours. That was all. And there's more bigger rock formation. There's obstacles where you gotta like climb a ladder. I mean, it's
Oh, really? 2 hours, eh?
But usually I come up to this part and that's it with people. But
Right.
yeah, if you can prepare and bring some food with you, and then you
Yeah.
can keep going.
No, I got my little guy with me and he's super bummed. I'm like, I can't. He's only 7, right? I'm like, I can't bring you up that one.
Yeah. yeah.
But he'd be stoked on this right here.
You can go up the rope here, or you can go up the rope right along the face.
Oh yeah.
The water feels great too. Perfect temperature.
It's awesome. And you guys were jumping from there?
Hey, do a flip! But you can jump from that rock up there if it's deeper, but right now it's a little dangerous up there. See that boulder?
Yeah, I see it there. And it's deep enough there?
Not right now.
No, I didn't
You
look.
have to jump, I mean, you have to really
Pretty far out.
land it right, yeah. So we've been jumping from there.
Yeah.
3, 2,
Woohoo! pretty sick, man.
This is awesome.
It's unreal. Woo! I wonder if I should just slide that water cable down. Nah, little sketchy, I guess. So these rocks are so slippery. So, yeah,
Scary.
I know. So you gotta jump right there, okay?
Not there?
Right where that fish is. Jump out. Land on your feet. Yeah, right there where that fish is. Jump towards him. Land on your feet. Here goes nothing.
3, 2, 1, go!
How was that?
Super duper fun.
Well, I better get Papa.
Gotta try it. What did he do?
Oh, nice. Super parkour jump.
That rock looks cool. Look how it's got steps on it.
Yeah. Oh wait, what?
Look at it. It's steps.
Okay. Success. You jump into there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Think I can?
Yeah. Aim for that sand where someone has jumped already. Nice.
Good now, noob.
I'm not a noob. I'll skip that jump.
Woo!
Richie, you can
I'm falling in the water.
Jeez, be careful, darling. Looks like you already did. What do we got? Oh, someone drew something there.
There's some back there too.
Yeah.
You were in for a second, but not anymore.
I was like, I'm not a noob! Oh, I'm a noob again. Tarzan! Ooh, nice move.
Hey, Tiana. Ready?
Oh, the real Tarzan! The real Tarzan!
Okay, I'm doing it even higher.
Tarzan!
Tiana, ready? One more time.
That was super cool.
Hey, Diana.
We're noobs.
What? We're not noobs. We're pros.
How far did I get ahead of you?
Oh, now I'm the noobest of the noob. Oh, no.
I'm just going
Second noob.
at the back to make sure you guys are okay.
Ah, thank
I
you.
do. I always go behind.
Yeah.
Put the band-aids on, everybody. Except for myself, because I don't fall. Except for into water.
I win because I was pro for long.
Look at all these butterflies and birds flying around. Woodpecker. Right there. Right there. 2 of them. Look at that awesome tree.
Wow.
Papa isn't.
You have to help. You have to at least throw
You gotta
one.
get in those cracks. Right.
Oh!
Nice one.
Good job.
Thanks. Nice one.
Okay, are we taking the bus or are we just walking?
It's up to you.
Then we could go to that beach if we walk.
Yeah, we can do it if you don't mind walking.
I don't mind.
And watch this. Watch it.
Yeah. Palo Maria. Muchas gracias, Palo Maria. Papa wants to go down underneath all the way to the ocean, doesn't he?
You want to go under or not go under?
Go under. Yeah, we're going under.
Oh, I see the ocean.
Look at all this beautiful water, Diana.
Yeah. Oh, look at that sand.
Oh my goodness. Look at this, Diana. Do you have showers? Like, what's this for?
Oh, look at they made a little dam.
Where?
Hold on.
Perfect.
I think we should get across, and then we should put our over and stuff, and then we can walk around and go in the ocean. Stuff.
Oh, I'm gonna reach down the middle. It's so cool.
What's that right there?
What?
Whales right there.
Really close?
Really, 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 really.
I see a whale! Diana, we